Dude, just listen to my dog in the background. That'll cheer you up. Hey, puppy! Woof! Ready? Ready? Woof! Ready? Wait. She'll respond, don't worry. Woof! The fuck, dog? Do things! Oh, right as I untuck my mouth. My God. Hey, woof!
Oh, oh no.
She did it!
What's wrong with you? Oh
She responded to me! She's looking at me and going,
Stop.
it's fucking horrible.
This is how I die, and I'm gonna die happy. Yeah. It's fucked up to say, but it's true. I want Wooly to come to my funeral really fucking serious. He's like, Luck was a good friend, but I was requested to laugh for him.
Fuck you! Stop!
But it's funny. This is stuff in my nightmare.
What the fuck is happening?
Hey, Wooly, can you change gears like me?
when you laugh?
No, he's changing gears.
You laugh like Shazam.